Welcome to all. Here we are going to start the mass spectrometry for MSc second year student. We already learned the basic theory of the mass spectrometry and their instrumentation. Today we are going to learn that is type of the ion. There are the different types of ion. First is a molecular ion or a parent ion. Second is a fragment ion. Third is a rearrangement ion. Fourth is a multi-charged ion. Fifth is a negative ion, and the sixth is a metastable ion. So let's start to discuss about the types of the ion. The first one, that is a molecular ion or the parent ion. When a molecule is bombarded with an electron in a high vacuum in a mass spectrometer, it is converted into a positive ion by a loss of electron. Whenever any molecule is bombarded on an electron, there is a formation of the positive ion. These ions are called as a molecular or the parent ion. That means what? Here you can see in this reaction, when the molecule which is reacted with the electron or bombarded with the electron, there is a formation of the positive ion M plus by removing the electron, by the loss of electron. That is called as a molecular ion. Here M is the represent the molecules and M plus is the molecular or the parent ions. The order of energy required to remove the electron is as follow. The sigma electron require the maximum energy to remove the electron, then the non-conjugated pi, then conjugated pi electron, and the minimum energy required to remove the electron from the parent atom or the parent molecule, that is the non-bonding or lone pair of electron. If any molecule have the lone pair of electron, they can easily remove and this molecule becomes a positive charged. And the sigma bond is the very strong bond, that's why for remove the electron from that bond it requires the maximum energy. Here the many of these molecular ions disintegrate at a 10 raised to minus 10 to 10 raised to minus 30 second to give a positive charge fragment and a radical in the simplest case. If some molecular ions remains intact long enough to reach the detector, the most molecules show a peak for a molecular ion, the stability of which are usually in the order. The stability of that molecule is the aromatic is more stable than the conjugated acyclic polys, than the acyclic or and then the N hydrocarbons, then the ketone, then ether, then branched chain hydrocarbon, and then alcohol. The characteristics of the molecular ion are: the molecular peak is observed if a molecular ion remain intact long enough to reach the detector. This peak gives a molecular weight of the compound. The molecular ion peak is usually the peak of the highest mass number. Always detector gives the peak of the highest mass number. The molecular ion has the mass corresponding to a molecular weight of the compound from which it is generated. Thus, the mass of the molecular ion is an important parameter in the identification of the compound. Higher the mass of the molecule, then the molecule which is disintegrated, there is a formation of the positive ion. That positive ion has the maximum mass, then only which can be identified in the detector. Next, significance of the molecular ion. The molecular ion peak gives a molecular weight of the compound. This is the application of this molecular ion. This gives the weight of the compound, that is the M by Z of a molecular ion, which is equal to a molecular weight of the compound. For example, here this is the C2H5 plus. This is the positive ion, positive molecule, positively charged molecule that have the M by E ratio is 29, which gives the molecular weight of the ethane. Next type of the ion, that is a fragment ion. What is a fragment ion? That is when the energy is given to the molecular ion. Here this is the M plus ion. During the electron impact, further cleavage takes place and ion of lower mass number known as a fragment ion are produced. That means what happened here, whenever this is the molecule ion during the electron impact, this is the molecule ion which is further dissociated and dissociated into the another ions M1 and M2, which has the lower mass number, that is called as a fragment. Here this is the example, that is the CH3OH plus, which get converted to here CH3OH plus, which get converted to CH3OH which get converted to the CH3OH plus. That means this is the ionic molecule which get further fragmented, and there is to the different ions, and that ion having a low mass number, that is called as the fragment ion. Next type is a rearrangement ions. That is, the rearrangement ions are the fragments whose origin cannot be described by a simple cleavage of a bond in the parent ion, but are result in an intramolecular atomic rearrangement during the fragmentation. These are probable due to the recombination of fragments ion and known as a rearrangement peak. For example, the prominent peak of a spectrum of a diethyl ether occurs at M/E is 31. This is due to the ions of CH3O plus, which is formed by a rearrangement of a C2H5O plus ion. This is the rearrangement. That means here this molecule which is rearranged to the another compound, and we get, and then it get break, and then there is a formation of the positive ion. Multi-charged, say next type is the multi-charged ion. Sometimes the ions exist with a two or more charges instead of usual single charge in the mass spectrum. These are known as a doubly or triply charged ion, that is multi-charged. That means whenever this molecule which is bombarded in a mass spectrum, it get the multi-charged ion. That means it may be the molecule having a 2 plus charge, 3 plus charge, that is called as a multi-charged ion. Here you can see in this example M plus 0 which bombarded to the electron, there is a formation of what? M2 plus plus 3 electron. By removing the 2 electron from the M plus, there is a formation of the M2 plus, 1 electron from the M plus, there is a formation of the M2 plus 3 electron. But under a normal operating condition, most of the ions produced are a single charge. The doubly or triply charged ions are recorded at a half or 1/3 of the M/E value of a single charge ion. The formation of these multiple charge ion is more common in heteroaromatic compound. In heteroaromatic compound, then only they give the multi-charged ions. They are also common in an inorganic mass spectrum like CON2, CO2, O2 have the measurable peak corresponding to the CO2 plus, N2, 2 plus and O2, O2 plus. Okay. Next type is negative ions. That means the positive ion predominate in electronic impact ionization because of a greater stability. The negative ions are not useful in a structural determination. The formation of a negative ion is very rare, but these can be produced in a three-way. That means whenever AB which is bombarded on the electron, there is a formation of A plus plus B minus. Then this AB which is there is a formation of the B minus, that is a negative ion. Next step is AB which is bombarded to the electron, there is a formation of AB minus. And the next is whenever this AB is bombarded to the number of electrons, there is a formation of A plus plus B minus plus electron. By these three ways, there is a formation of the negative ion which cannot be determined in the mass spectrum, but this is produced by these three methods. Next type, that is the metastable ions. The fragments of a parent ion will give rise to a new ion plus either or neutral molecule or the radical. You can see here these fragments of the parent ion. This is the fragment of parent ion which give rise to another fragment, that is a new ion, that is a daughter ion, which we call as a daughter ion with the non-charged particle. An intermediate situation is possible. The M1 plus may decompose to M2 plus while being accelerated. The resultant daughter ion, that is M2 plus, will not be recorded at either M1 or M2 but at a position M star as a broad poorly focused peak. Such an ion is called as a metastable ion. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Here we learned the different types of the ion which is formed in a mass spectrometry. Thank you very much.